Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking in the essentials: Python for data work and key math like probability and linear algebra. Focus on practical practice. Once you grasp syntax, build one small notebook per week to apply concepts. Make sure to use pandas and NumPy from day one. They turn theory into usable workflows. Join a beginner Kaggle competition to get feedback on real datasets. This immediate application teaches you how models behave and why math fundamentals matter in model performance. Once you have basics, deepen your craft by focusing on data cleaning, exploratory analysis, and solid tooling. You should practice feature engineering and understand why cross-validation prevents overfitting. Simultaneously, learn Git for reproducibility, SQL for data extraction, and a cloud service to run larger jobs. Make sure to containerize experiments with Docker so results are portable. By combining machine learning theory with these practical tools, you create repeatable pipelines that employers recognize. To finish the transition, package 3 to 5 polished projects that show end-to-end thinking: data sourcing, cleaning, modeling, evaluation, and clear notes on decisions. Once done, reach out to alumni and hiring managers for informational interviews and attend meetups to convert projects into opportunities. Practice whiteboard ML case studies and coding problems. Make sure you can explain trade-offs. If you get stuck, a key troubleshooting tip: backtest assumptions with a simpler baseline model to reveal data issues before overfitting complex models.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.